In this session on Amersham Typhoon, we're going to look at how to insert and remove a stage out of the instrument. First thing we want to do is to open the door. To do this, there's a little catch in the middle underneath here. We're going to pull it towards us. That lifts up. We now need to grab a stage. All the stages will kind of insert in the same fashion. So in this case, I'm going to take the low fluorescent floor stage. I'm going to take two hands on the side. You want to be careful you don't put the fingers underneath the glass surface. And then we're just going to slide this in to the end. There are a couple of ways to check it's in place. The first one is to look at the apex of this triangle on both sides to make sure that's past the peak. You'll also hear, when I push this all the way to the end, there's going to be a little click. There's a magnet that pulls it into place and a micro switch that recognizes the stage is inserted. If you fail to insert it the whole way like that, after you close the lid and start to try and do a scan, it's just going to give you an error message saying please insert stage. So in this case, we'll have it correctly inserted. We'll close the door. We'd go to our control software, set up for our particular scan. Once it's finished scanning, we're going to come back to the instrument. We'll open up the door, so it's the same as procedures before with this little catch in the middle. Now it's important now as you start pulling down on the handle, when you get about 2/3 of the way down, it's going to feel some resistance. That's giving you a warning you're getting to the end of the run. So if you want to fully take out the stage, you then take both hands to either side of the runners, grab hold of the stage, and then we're going to carefully take this back over to our storage area.